Found a great playlist on YouTube and want to save it for later? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save any YouTube playlist to your profile in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. Now, go to the search bar and type the name of the creator whose playlist you want to save. Tap on their channel from the results. Once you're on their channel page, look at the top menu and tap on the Playlists tab. Here you'll see all the playlists created by that channel. Scroll through and find the playlist you like, then tap to open it. Now, right next to the Play All button, you'll see a small bookmark icon or a save icon. Tap on it. That's it. The playlist is now saved to your account. To find it later, go to the bottom right corner and tap on You or your profile icon. Then, open the Playlist section. Here you'll see all your saved playlists, including the one you just added. You can tap on it anytime to watch the videos whenever you want. And that's how you can easily save any YouTube playlist to your profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.